Before you travel to Europe, stop. There are these 5 secrets every small traveler must know. And I wish we would have known this earlier as well. We've learned it really hard way because there was no proper simple guide that would have told these secrets to us. And that's when we are coming up with these videos. This is your 2026 must know Europe guide, which is based on the real changes travelers are facing in Europe right now. And if you want your Europe trip to feel smooth, affordable, luxurious, and stress free, then stay till end. Because third tip is genuinely going to change how you travel Europe forever. Most people think यूरोप वीजा बस शेंगेन वीजा मिल गया तो हो गया but Schengen visa will not be enough soon. ETS is Europe's new travel authorization system. There are possibilities that without this, even airlines will not allow you to board. The process of applying for ETIS is very cheap, affordable, very quick. It will take up to 7 to 20 euros roughly. However, one should know when to do it. EU has mentioned that exact date will be mentioned later. Most likely, it will be launched around late 2026 and complete enforcement will be around 2027. However, I will suggest before you travel, do keep an eye. We have learned it hard way. We during a COVID time, we've suffered a lot. I know that there were a lot of paperworks, etc., were going on at the time, but we were almost missing our flight. We somehow managed it, but that was the lesson, and we learned it really hard way. And since then, we're all the time checking all the details before our travel. We will be keeping the links in the description, but I will suggest that do definitely have a look for this new changes, new enforcements coming for ETIS. Checking this can definitely prevent any travel disasters. Alongside that, Europe has already begun rolling out EES. This is another big change, which is biometric entry system, which means fingerprinting, facial scans, and this all means longer queues, which we have experienced recently. So do keep these in mind during your transits. These are the kind of rules that surprise travelers, but now you know ahead of time. EES change has already started in 2025, and we have experienced this with longer queues and longer waiting hours. So, if you have any transition or if you have any connections after this, then do keep EES change in your mind. Second point is hidden city taxes. Now, Europe can look affordable online, but there are some cities which charge you extra. Many cities are charging tourist tax per night, and this is not always included in your hotel bookings. So I will make sure that do check for it. Even some cities are charging for overcrowding days. So if there are any overcrowding, over busy days, then cities like Venice, etc., are charging. I will keep the details in the descriptions where you will know which cities are charging what. There are some extra charge at Barcelona as well that we have come across recently. So do keep an eye on all of these changes. Now let's move to third and most awaited game changer point. I'm sure this will change the way you traveled abroad forever. No one must have told you about this before. Many people assume that this option is expensive. We used to think the same, but this is going to be a game changer in 2026. We've traveled Spain, Italy, Norway, Caribbean, Croatia, where not, and the option is via cruising. We also travel traditional way thinking cruising is for luxury travelers, but the belief turned out to be expensive lesson soon. We wish somebody would have told us earlier, and that's the reason we are sharing this with you now so that you don't have to learn it hard way the way we did. Hotel, transport, food, entertainment, every single thing is included in it. The cruise industry recorded 34.6 million passengers increase globally in 2025. I'm repeating, is 34.6 million passengers increase in 2025. We have traveled across Europe and beyond at multiple destinations using this method, and it created a wonder, and we've saved a lot and still experienced a luxury. Do check out our channel if you're interested in this option. It is real luxury. We have created step-by-step cruise guide including how to start, how to plan, how to book, tips, tricks, and all the answers of how, why, what's. Please visit our channel. If you find this video helpful in any ways, then please do consider hitting like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This will keep us motivated to create such meaningful content. Next tip is about transactions. As mentioned in the screen, many places still accept cash, UPI, and Indian payment habits don't translate smoothly in Europe. So do carry Visa card, MasterCard that works internationally. Keep a little cash for backup. And the last tip is that Europe transport in 2026 isn't smooth as it shows in Instagram. Instagram make Europe looks like effortless, but in reality, some trains require reservations. Last minute prices can spike, and with EES rolling out, airports may have longer lines in busy period. This is why smart traveler plan ahead or travel by cruise to avoid transport stress entirely. If you are still watching this video, it means you're one of those travelers who value meaningful, smart, memorable journeys just like us. Your Europe trip can be smoother, affordable, and more magical when you know what most people don't know yet. And I promise you, this channel will guide you with cruise planning, Switzerland travel, booking trips. Comment your questions below and I will reply personally. Let's travel smarter, experience deeper, and go beyond expectations. And if you find this video informative in any ways, then please do consider hitting like and subscribe. Thank you.